In this section, you examined a number of ways to use the grid view control. You saw how to format it and how to use built-in features. There are lots more events available, so anytime you need to make something happen in the grid view control, your job is to figure out which event occurs at what time and to put your event handling code at the correct place within the lifespan of the grid. Now, what happens if you need to add a row to the grid? There's no add button within the grid, there's no way to turn one on, and that wouldn't even make any sense because the add button would then appear on each row of the grid. Instead, what you need to do is investigate putting the add button, or the UI for adding a row, outside the grid view control, and use one of the other bound controls such as the details view or the form view control, which are set up for showing a single row of data at a time to handle inserting a new row into the underlying data source. You would then have to refresh the grid by calling the data bind method of the grid view control so it displays the new row. There's nothing you haven't seen which would keep you from doing this technique, and it would be a good homework exercise to convince yourself that you understand how to work with the grid view and data source controls.